Hello traders out there in Traderland, welcome to the Weekend Report. My name is Dez here at Grok Trade. I'm a mentor and analyst, and this video is good through Sunday, November 14th, 2010. The markets take a hit on Friday, due in large part due to China threatening to raise interest rates to combat inflation. But what I want to do is focus on technical analysis. Stay with me, we're moving fast. We have this nice uptrend, we're going up, 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 up. We stay within a channel, and today, or Friday, we bust down below it, finding support at the rising 20-day moving average and also the shadow line. That's that. If you look very closely, that's that orange line coming up, 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 up. We did find support at both, but we closed below a major trend line. So, is that a crack in the eyes? Perhaps it is. So what am I expecting to happen? As long as we stay above the 20-day moving average, I see us rallying back up. Not sure if we can get over the trend line, but maybe we will creep up the trend line. But I think that the markets are pretty extended, looking to give some back. But I want the MACD here to stay above the zero line. We do have a big negative tick on the histogram, but as usual, we like to look at the larger time frame. We're looking at a weekly here, the S&P, and let's take a look at what's going on. We have been running up, 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 up. We smack our head. We thought, I'll tell you, I was looking at this last weekend, we were over it, but it's almost like, nah, we're going to reverse. If you look at the week, we have something called a tweezer top reversal pattern. Not only that, we have what's called a bearish harami pattern. We have closed below both the 260 moving average and also this orange one is the 225 moving average, and we're coming close to the 200-day moving average. So I don't like this reversal pattern. To me, it looks like we're going to start rolling over and heading south far as the weekly is concerned. But let's see what the monthly tells us. So we bring in the monthly, and we see on the monthly, let me get these average shoe range down. Stochastics can drop a little bit. We're up here over, at this area of being overvalued or overextended. On the monthly, we're hanging out. Look at this. For the month, I know the month's not over with yet, but we came up here, we got this big upper shadow, and we dropped. We come up here, we got this big upper shadow. Are we going to drop again? If so, we'll have this double top type formation. That would not be good for the markets as a whole. What I'd like to do here is also bring in the NASDAQ. Now, the NASDAQ, to kind of bring this in, we have this big monster symmetrical triangle. We bust out. Now we have this great bull pullback. I mean, look at this. Isn't that just a wonderful bull pullback? It is. Very, very nice bull pullback on the NASDAQ. Looking for smaller candlestick and a bounce. As long as the MACD stays over the zero line, that would be good. If that bounces, we see this curl up and all is well in the NASDAQ world. But here we bring in the weekly. Here's the weekly. The weekly is way extended, way extended. We bust out a resistance, more resistance. And then for the weekly, we get ourselves what looks like a bearish harami. I mean, this is the first real significant red candle we've had in weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. And there it is, right in front of our face, coming back down below resistance, or what should have acted as support. We're down below that now. I see on the weekly some bad things to come into the markets. Here's the monthly, which trumps the weekly and the daily. We smack our head at resistance, we pull back, we rally up, busting all sorts of resistance. And now so far we have a doji taking place at a resistance line. You can see that coming across here. See this? Big resistance line. Uh-oh, it looks like it's going to want to drop. If so, we'd have the makings of a rising wedge type formation on the big picture. Ouch. But we have the stimulus packages coming out, the QE2, and that will help these markets go up. Let's take a look at the Russells. The Russells, we had busted out of all sorts of resistance. Now that resistance is acting as support. We need to stay above that. If not, we're in trouble. And that's a nice bull pullback. Could rally and rally strong, giving us a nice run. But let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly has this very overextended run, pops its head over major point of resistance, and now it's coming right back down. Now, we are not down below it yet, but we do have a bearish harami and a tweezer top. Check that out on the weekly. Uh-oh, bad news. If you go over here on the monthly, we're stalling out at that resistance level. We haven't got up over that shadow line yet. Do you see that? I mean, this could be some significant area. If it drops here, we could have a double top formation, especially if we were to drop and then head on down past this low. So the markets are in a real sensitive, this is a real sensitive time. Real sensitive time. And let me bring everybody up to speed on a couple things. I'm getting a lot of emails coming in about our 101 videos that are getting ready to be released. Gang, what I mean is you don't have to tell me or alert me to getting access or wanting access to the 101 videos. Anybody that's registered on our website and that has not clicked the unsubscribe me button will receive an alert. And that alert will tell you when those VNews or the 101s are ready and available. Listen, there are hours upon hours worth of free trading education on these videos. And they are very impressive, very thorough, and they are very basic. The 101 trading education is to take the beginner trader by the hands and say, I don't know what all this technical analysis is about. Help me. Help me understand what the Dow is. What's the NASDAQ? What's the Russells? What are these things we just looked at on this video? We take you by the hand. We show you all about trading. And perhaps, arguably, we've given you way too much information. What I mean by that is it might be too thorough. So, but the bottom line is, when you go through this, any weaknesses you have in your trading education will be filled in. You, regardless of how much of a beginner you are, will have a idea of what trading is all about, and you'll be able to make a good informed decision whether or not trading is for you. After the 101 courses, you will know if trading is going to be something that you want to do or not. And from there, you can make the decision to advance to the 201 videos and eventually get to the mentoring program. Listen, a lot of people you're not ready for the mentoring program. It's far too deep. It's far too much information for a beginner trader. The mentoring program is ideal for the trader that's been out there trading. You have an account set up. You've been trading. You know how to trade, but it's not working for you. We fix those people. We fix the people that are trading now in the markets, that are comfortable in trading in the markets, that aren't doing it and doing it well. We fix those people. The 101s are for the beginners. So I don't want to, belabor that. So those are coming. Also, just so everybody knows, we haven't put those out yet, but a lot of people's asking for the hedging seminar. That is coming out on Thursday the 9th of December, Thursday that evening, and then Thursday the 16th. That Thursday we're going to be doing market internals webinar. So if you missed those or want to retake them, those courses are coming up again at that point. Oh, and listen, December 1st we are doing a Meet the Mentor, just telling everybody about our mentoring program. They're very popular, and we have an online one coming up on the weekend of the 18th of December. But if you want to just know more about it, all you do is go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, click on mentoring or Meet the Mentor, and fill out the form. We'll make sure you get an invite to that so you can come hear more. So there it is. Gang, thank you to Scott, who is going to be doing my afternoon videos and weekend videos coming up in the next couple of weeks, and Miguel, who will be doing my pre-market videos. I look forward to hearing about everybody talking in the chat room, and get into that forum, gang. Let's get some traction going in that forum, get some great collaboration going in there, and looking forward to that. So take care and safe trading to each and every one of you.